Hello children, we go to part 5 of my video lesson on fractions. So this is the third video on exercise 4C. So we start here in this particular video lesson, question 6, where I'll do two sums, or we have to arrange them in ascending order. Then I will do two sums, question 7, when we will put them in descending order. So before I start, two things before I start. First, if you see nicely, the first one is a like fraction. Why? All the denominators are same. Second one, children, is unlike fraction. Because what do you see? If you see nicely, you will see that all the denominators are different. So in my previous part 4 of the video on fraction, I have shown how to convert unlike to like fraction, then only we can arrange. And second thing, what do you mean by ascending? Ascending means small, we go to big. So see, first answer I am doing, it's very easy. Denominator remaining same. So this is the smallest, 1 by 11. Ascending means small to big. Then comes my 3 by 11. So mouth open means this is bigger than 4 by 11. Then 5 by 11. And the last of all, 9 by 11. Or simply you can put comma and do like this will be 3 by 11, 5 by 11, 9 by 11. So either you give less than sign from this side, you see this is less than this is less than this is less than this is less than this, or opposite, this is the greatest, next, and this is the smallest. So this was, when we did, it was like fraction, and we are doing ascending order. But here we have different denominator. So first we have to convert it into a like fraction. So for that, as I told you in my previous video, that find LCM of 3, 6, 9, 12 and 18. So very similar sum I have done there. And if you see, I told you the shortcut trick also. The LCM will be 18 you could have had, but 12 will not go. So I said take the biggest number, see whether the smaller number are there. In their table 18 is there or not, but in 12's table 18 is not there. So multiply 18 2s are 36, 3 will go 12 times, 6 will go 6 times, 9 will go 4 times, 12 will go 3 times, and 18 will go 2 times. So 36 like that you will get. Or we do here with traditional method, which very similar. I think denominator I did there. So here I take 2 because there are 3 even number. So 2, this 9 will remain 9, 12 will become 6, 18 will become 9. So 2 is even number, this changes, does not change, this changes, this remains same, this becomes half. Now 2 I will not take because one number will go. So I take 3 and again I take 3. So as I told you children, we have the LCM as 2 3s are 6, 3s are 18, 2s are 36. So what we do, we convert each of this fraction with denominator 36. So here we have 2 by 3 into, you see my previous part. Here I'll go a little faster because I have already explained to you this concept in my previous video. So 2 by 3 becomes this. 5 by 6 you multiply with what? 6 you will multiply so that you will get 36. You will multiply by 6. 6 6 are 36, then this also 6 5 are 30. 7 by 9, what you will multiply? 4. 28 by 9 4s are 36. 11 by 12, you will multiply with 3 3, 33 by 36. 13 by 18 into 2 into 2, we get 26 by 36. So finally you once more check, this becomes 24 by 36, this becomes 30 by 36. 4s are, just check, this is 3s are and 2s are. So now see which is the biggest. So here ascending order, I have to see the smallest. Which is the smallest here? I think 26. 26 by 36. So for that corresponding, what I have got? This 2 by 3. After 24, I see 26 by 36. But in original question, 26 by 36 was not given. What was given? 13 by 18. Then after 26, I see 28. 28 by 36. It stood for 7 by 9. Then after 28 is 30. 30 by 36. It stood for 5 by 6. If you see. The last of all, 33 by 36. So this is the greatest of all. It stands for 11 by 12. You can write like this, or I told you can write with comma. This will come at the end and this will come in the beginning. So kindly pause the video and do. Then we will go to next question on descending order. So please copy the video, pause the video and copy the sum. So now we move on to question 7, part 1 and part 4. So kindly copy the question. So the question is very similar to 6, but here the difference is we have to find in descending. First let us try to understand what is descending order. Descending means you are descending down a hill. Ascending is going up, descending going down. So it is big to small. Okay, so bigger to small when you go, it is called descending order. Now, like before I told you, when we have like fraction, it's very easy. The biggest here you see is 9 by 12. Denominator remaining same, 11 by 12 it will be, because 9 denominator. So what is the rule, children? Denominator remaining same, the larger the numerator, bigger is the fraction. So biggest is 11 by 9, 11 by 12, 9 by 12, 7 by 12, 5 by 12, and then 1 by 12. So bigger, mouth open means these are bigger. So this is descending order, big to small. You can do without this sign, with comma. As I told you in the previous sum, you can give your answer like this also, children. So next we have unlike fraction. We have to first find the LCM. So what is LCM? 3, 5, 10, 15 and 20. So one shortcut method I told you, children, see all these numbers, the biggest is 20. See, does all this divides 20 or 20 comes in their table? You will see no. This 4s are, this 2s are, this will not go. So you multiply 20, try with 40. Whether these numbers all, 40 is a number which comes in table of all this, so no. Take 3s are 60. 60 you will see yes. 3 will go 20 times, 5 will go 12 times, 10 will go 6 times, 15 will go 4 times. So LCM will be 60 by mental math. So this I'll have a separate video for LCM, HCF and all this. So anyway, let me show you how you will do in exam, because exam this will carry mark. So doing mentally is good because you're very accurate, but method you have to show. So I start with first prime number 2. This will not go, this will not go, this will become 5. So as I told you, 2 numbers should go. So here 2 numbers were going by 2. Next you see how number, only 1 number will go by 2. So next I try with 3, because there are 2 numbers which will go by 3. So 3 ones are 3, so 3 fives are 15. So finally you see all of them, they go by 5. So 5, 1, 1, 1, 2. So what do we get? We get LCM as 2 into 3 into 5 into 2. So this is, so 2 3s are 6, 5s are 30, 2s are 60. So please try on your own. I hope in class 6 you know how to find LCM by common division method, and we will try to convert each of this as a denominator 60. So this will go 20 times. So how I taught you in my previous, you must see part 4 of my video lesson. What I taught you, 60 divided by 3 gives you 20. This upon this, or this with what will give you 60. So 20 times. So this is this 3 by 5. This will be 12, 36 by 60. 7 by 10 into 6, 6. 7 6 are 42 by 60. Here we have 8 by 15 into 15 4s. So this is 32 by 60, and the last of all is your 11 by 20. So check once more. Here I get denominator 60, numerator 40. Denominator 60, numerator 36. First you see denominator, because like fraction have same denominator. Now descending means big to small, which is, so now what we have done, children, denominator remaining same, which is the biggest numerator, 2 by 3 is descending means big to small, is bigger than. So 40, no, this is bigger, 42 is bigger. So first fraction will be my 7 by 10. Then your 40 by 60, that is 2 by 3. Okay, 42 by 60, 40 by 60. Next is 36, 3 by 5. Because this stands for 3 by 5. Then after 36, next smaller is 33, 11 by 20. And the smallest here, because we are going to big to the smallest, 33 done. 32 by 60, that is 8 by 15. So check once more and see whether we have got the correct answer or not. So please pause the video and copy. This was my video lesson on ascending and descending order. So please do other sums of other parts of question 6 and 7, and please try, and I hope you will be able to do it. Thank you boys for watching this video.